Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Pokémon GO online step by step. Open Pokémon GO and sign in with your preferred account, then enable location and camera permissions immediately. Calibrate map and set your nickname, then learn the catch mechanics by spinning piquet stops nearby and throwing practice curveballs. Keep battery saver on and manage item inventory to stay prepared for long sessions. Start by tapping a Pokémon on the map and observing its circle color for difficulty before throwing. Practice curveballs and great or ultra balls for better odds, and use raspberry when catches are risky. Monitor nearby and research tabs to prioritize high-value spawns and events, and switch weather-boosted counters to increase encounter quality during play sessions. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so I can make more helpful videos and tips for your Pokémon GO sessions. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice for a crisp, long-lasting scent that makes driving to raids more pleasant and keeps your gear smelling fresh. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Join raid lobbies early to coordinate with teammates and choose counters based on raid boss types for efficient wins. In trainer battles, adapt movesets and shields to outplay opponents and earn rewards. Keep safety in mind by remaining aware of surroundings, traveling with a friend for remote raids when possible, and setting play sessions within comfortable battery and data limits to avoid surprises.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.